Hi, thanks for sharing your plan. It's always a good idea. I'm going to click on this wall, hit the next button, open it, go to wall types. Actually, no, it's the right wall type. You go to over here, and here's the problem. You got drywall on the exterior layer, overriding its default. So I'm going to go to select the material, plan materials, use default, which is the siding, and click OK. Earlier, when I was looking at it, I flipped the layers, so I'm gonna flip the layers again now. Oh. See, that's not a room, that's just a slab there. What's going on here? Let me just click next. I'm gonna take another look at this material. Oh, look at there. That's weird. Setting it to default should have fixed it. Okay, now it's showing right. Okay, it's had to be persistent. Click next, open materials. Oh, look here. You did that yourself, probably by accident. But the fix is to set it back to the default, which is the default material for that wall type. Bingo. Now this should be an exterior wall to here and then an interior wall over in there. So that's a goof, but you can easily fix that. That seems to be the problem. Drywall. I don't know how that happened, but I'll probably you're using an eyedropper or a spray can material a little bit too much. See, use default, and it'll revert to the default material. Okay, so we solved that. Now I'm going to go up to the first floor. And see, this is a same wall type all the way through. That's goofy. So you need to use the wall break tool. Where's the wall break tool? I don't see it. Come on, wall break tool. No, there it is. Maybe. Okay. This wall here interior wall should be interior 4. Not existing siding. That's stupid. Well, you're not stupid. It doesn't make any sense to me. Anyway, sorry about that. It's early in the morning. So this looks okay. No more goofiness. Okay, we'll go back to the overview. There you have it. Hope that helps you. Whether it does or not, make it a great day. That is you. Bye.